Alrighty, so hello there. I'm Awariaki, the lead programmer for Jumpbird. I'm part of the team IDK, also known as, I believe, Game Dev Bros. There was a bit of a mix-up with the names. I think that's all already covered. Anyway, I received this email a while ago saying that the game couldn't be actually evaluated since there was a game-breaking bug. So, here's the video. Okay, so we have 5 questions here, I think. Yeah, 5. Okay, so first one is, how was the theme embedded into my game? Alright, okay, so the theme was uh, good times during bad times, right? Okay, so our idea was basically that this bird is suffering, well, a lot, and although he is suffering a lot from bullying and the fact that he can't fly since he was born with only one wing and all that, he's still happy and trying to push as much as he can. And we kind of ended up with this game. We were really a bit squeezed for ideas because we were both gonna attend other jams like a couple of weeks ago, but a couple of weeks before the actual Bahrain jam. But we both got a bit busy, so we just said, screw it, we're just gonna do this one. Alright, so I probably paused this video a bit. Okay, let's get into it. So the second question was, what's the main concept behind the game? Okay, as I said before, this game was basically, well, a squeezed idea. So the concept was just that the bird is pushing through life even though he's, well, I guess you could say disabled. And thus, he was experiencing happy times during, well, bad times. The third question is, what were the inspirations for art, sound, and story? Well, honestly, none. I mean, basically, we did base this game, like gameplay and stuff, on the old Doodle Jump games, if you've ever played those. But in regard to the art, that was just creativity. The sound, I don't even know if there is sound, but I think we just used an asset pack. Yeah, we did. We just used an asset pack for music and didn't use that many sound effects, if any. Story-wise, we just, well, like I said, fresh out of ideas. Anyway, fourth question is, what are the core gameplay mechanics of the game? Alright, those are basically the constant jumping and the fact that you really have to climb over stuff. Like, we have the multiple bird types and stuff, and we have the stationary items like, uh, what were these called in English? Hold on a sec, please. I believe they were called clotheslines, probably something like that. Anyway, like items that you can actually jump on in game. It was basically just a doodle jump clone, and there aren't any secrets or anything that you should know about. But we did consider some other mechanics, like, for example, if you notice, this game is somewhat easy until the end, where you get to the rockets and stuff. That was because well, I was totally fresh out of time. Like, I was totally squeezed, so I ended up just working 3 hours on the, no, not 3 hours, about 6 hours in total on the game, and did everything in that amount of time, like ranging from programming the entire game to actual design, as in placing objects and sprites and stuff like that. And we did have a few features. I can't remember any directly, but the climbing from under stuff, from where you hit a bird or anything like that from below it and you climb above it, yeah, that was somewhat of a bug at first that I couldn't fix. And so I just asked for an extra animation of a bird, of the bird raising his only arm and climbing, like pushing himself up this thing. And well, I guess that was the only feature that was a bug initially. And honestly, I can't remember any of the features that we didn't add. I think there were a few, but I can't really remember. I believe the bug that you were speaking about was at the end there's this rocket section, and in it it's, well, basically luck based. Since honestly you can't really do it unless you're really skilled or use your time correctly. Uh, okay, I have no excuse for this part. This part was basically just bad design on my part. Again, I was practically sleep deprived. I in this video I basically just one-shotted it, but usually I'd have to wait a bit until they are like in a perfect position, the rockets and stuff, and then I'd do it. But anyway, okay. Also, sorry about the video's jankiness, but like that's all because of the screen recorder that I used. I couldn't really get a decent one so fast. And I guess that pretty much covers it. Uh, Thank you guys for watching, I guess. Like it says in this video, this game was made by Fox SDF, which was the artist and main story designer, and Ariaki, which is myself, and I was responsible for programming and other stuff. Alright, hope this video, quote unquote, suffices, and I guess see you when the results get out.